speaker, but as a core signs of a generation that refuse silence in the face of injustice. Again, going to awaken an aura of that eternal power we call Nari. From the dawn of civilization, women have been the cradle of humanity, architect of future generation, and guardian of our culture. In Vedic India, women were the epitomes of wisdom and power, as our Sanskrit so also says that Yat Naryastu Pujyante Ramante Tatra Devata. It means where the women are honored, there even the gods reside. But with the time, the dignity of women was overshadowed. By what? By the regressive traditions like dowry, inequality, and exploitations. Women empowerment isn't a choice, but a necessity. Empowerment isn't me making women strong. They are already strong. Today's generation, we see the spirit like Rani Lakshmibai, Savitri, Bai Gargi living in the Colonel Sophia Qureshi leading the international mission, Wing Commander Vyomika Singh flying high for the nation, and Kalpana Chawla conquering the space, and Draupadi Murmu reaching on the top of the constitution. Her dreams are vast, her courage divine. She saves the world with a will so fine. Respect her power, her heart, her voice. For doctors are not less, they are destiny's choice. As Swami Vivekananda once said, the best thermometer to the progress of a nation is the condition of its women. Despite from all this, have you even think why this word inequality arose? It is just because rights are not for misuse, but in today's generation, some women are misusing of their rights by saying, I have rights. Rights isn't for misuse, it is for growth and protection. But some girls misuse this by disrespecting men. And this begins the fight of real victims and creates gender conflicts. Is this the nation our mother dreamed of? Have you ever think, is this the society our constitution promised? Before ending my topic, I have a poetic line for जननी हूँ जीवन भी मैं, जज्बातों पे मेरा जोर नहीं, सशक्त हूँ व साकार भी मैं, नारी हूँ कमजोर नहीं, दर्पण हूँ व अक्स भी मैं, झुका सके मुझे वह शख्स नहीं, स्वाभिमानी हूँ आत्मनिर्भर भी मैं, टूट कर बिखरूं अब वो वक्त नहीं समझ